Hello everyone, welcome to Family Fun Time. I'm Jared.
I'm Cullen. I'm Kyleigh.
Today we're going to be doing the Elephant Toothpaste Experiment. You ready guys? Y'all have never seen this one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Here's what you'll need if you want to try this experiment at home. Some peroxide, some dish soap, 2 tablespoon measuring spoons, 1 for water, 1 for the dish soap. You'll need 1 or 2 containers depending on how many times you want to try this. We're doing it twice, once for each of them. So we have 2. You'll need some food coloring, some warm water, a funnel, a ½ cup measuring spoon, either 1 or 2 depending on if you're doing this experiment once or twice, mixing cups for your dry yeast. And if you want to touch the foam after, you're going to need gloves because the foam can cause skin irritations. Ready guys?
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, first you want to take your peroxide and you'll need a ½ cup into each container that you're going to use.
Is that water?
That's peroxide.
Yeah, it helps your bobos.
Mm-hmm. Right here. You can use the funnel to help you get it into your container.
And pour it goes. I'm going to help you, Dad.
Put it into this one.
Okay.
Alright.
I want to help too.
You'll get to do some drops right here. Alright. Next, you want to take your food coloring. Kyleigh, you wanted the green, right?
Yeah.
Alright. Put me 10 drops in there.
Whoa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Alright, that's
10.
enough. That's enough.
Oh, she put like 11 or 12 in there.
Good job.
Where's
In there, and Cullen, you got the blue.
Yep.
10 drops.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good job.
Mine is green.
Next, you're going to want to take your dish soap. You put your funnel back. And you need 1 tablespoon of dish soap in each of your containers.
Can I do it? No, I do it.
Put it in there.
You can do yours.
Take it slow. You pour it into the funnel. Make sure you get it all in the funnel.
Right here.
Yep.
Soap, so of course it's going to be sticky. I guess that's all of
That's
it.
good.
I think you used all of it. Now it's my turn. Is it my turn?
It's your turn.
Look at mine, it's still going.
Some bubbles.
Hey! How'd that happen?
Alright. Can you reach all the way over here? Look, Kyleigh. Hold the spoon. Hold it careful. Come up here and pour. Alright. Good job.
I think that's all of it.
Good job, guys.
Welcome.
Put that right here for now. Next, you want to take your packets of dry yeast. Go. You could pour yours.
The entire bag?
Mm-hmm.
Whoa!
Pour your whole packet into this cup right here.
Oh, that's what dry yeast looks like.
That's dry yeast.
It looks like dirt that ants make. With, like, make your ant pies. Get in there.
Okay. Pour yours in here. Pour it all in the cup.
I guess that's all of it.
Mm-hmm.
I may have got some around the cup.
It's okay.
Yay.
Alright, good job.
I wonder if you use this in food.
Yep, you can use this to make bread. Sure can.
Nice.
And the pizza dough.
Hooray!
Next, you want to take your other tablespoon and you want to mix in some warm water into your dry yeast, and you want to mix it until you have to where it looks like melted ice cream.
Yep. Do it. You can't just let me do it. I want to do it.
Mix for me. Mix it up. Mix it up real good. Mix it.
Mix it until it looks like melted ice cream.
Oh, not like that. Okay, we're gonna have to put some more. Hold on.
Of course it's going to be sticky, Kylie.
Alright. Now let's make some more. Let Daddy do it.
I wonder if it's going to look like the vanilla ice cream. Ooh, that's my favorite.
Now that we have our mixtures mixed and they kind of look like melted ice cream,
Yep.
you want to take your funnel again and set them in your bottle. And you ready, guys?
Yeah.
All right. You ready? Here we go.
Oh. Whoa. Whoa. Oh. Oh. Whoa. Now it looks like slime.
Check that out, guys. Is that cool?
Yeah. And I want to touch it.
You want to touch it?
Get your gloves on.
Well, let's put a glove on now. Put your fingers in the holes.
Oh.
Make sure you wear gloves if you want to touch the foam. All right. There you go. You can fill it with this one. Leave it over the tray. Get in. That's cool.
Yeah. This is awesome.
Look, it's still coming out.
Whoa, there's a lot in there. Can I touch yours? Yeah. Oh, yeah,
That's pretty neat, huh?
yeah. It is. Mine just stopped. It's because I put my hand on top.
Maybe so.
Yeah, this is awesome. Can I feel yours? Yeah, I feel mine. I'm trying to get you. I got yours green.
It's okay. You done?
Yeah. I'm done.
Did that help? All right. If you enjoyed this experiment, we'll leave the description down below on how you can do it at home. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel. Bye.
Bye.